Alright, getting ready to do a little customizing for my mother. This shelf my dad built when he was alive for my mother's pantry area. And she went and got a new vacuum cleaner that was a little bit bigger. And mop buckets that she keeps stored right next to it. Now we need to cut it down so she can still continue having the shelves, plus put her new vacuum cleaner and mop bucket off to the side. So we're gonna help her out here. On this side, he made it this way. For some reason, I didn't pay attention close enough, but it fits the wall perfectly. So we'll take 7 inches off here, off this side, and put it back together. She also wants it painted white. So even though Dad is gone now, this is his build. And now that I'm changing it around, customizing it for my mother, it's almost like a father-son build. In my mind, I'm gonna call it that. So we're gonna cut those shelves right there, the bottom one first. And then we'll take 7 inches off, merge them together with new wood at the bottom. So with these pieces made, it's made well enough that it'll stay in place while I run the saw. I don't have to worry about moving around or anything. And it's not even screwed to the cabinet, or the shelf I should say. It's a plus. Now we should be able to run the saw with no interference from the saw itself and the material. Get some nice clean straight cuts and then move on forward. Here we go. Alright, measured out 7 inches. That's marked, as you can see. Now we set up for the cut. So I went and made a straight edge for this particular job. In one of my past videos I showed how to make these straight edge tools. Just out of a couple pieces of wood and a couple screws. It's real simple, and it's guaranteed a good clean cut, straight cut every time with the skill saw. So I have it marked off, my 7 inches. The tool I made is in place, bolted, or clamped down rather. And now we're just going to cut it with the saw. Show you how good and straight of an edge it makes. So there we go, we got it all put back together. I'm going to flip it over on the bench and put some glue on the seams where we cut, top and bottom. I have these boards right here holding it together. And then tomorrow when I get back from doing things I got to do in town, I'll have some 11 3/4, put it on the top and the top of both shelves. Glue and mount those down. Putty wherever I need to putty, if anything, on the bottom of the seams. So now we have the new shelves cut out. Be putting them in place. This is all done and ready to go. Okay. That's intentionally. These edges are intentionally different sizes for a reason. So no adjustment of your TV set is necessary. Anyway, yeah, I did some putty work, put it together, sanded it. It's upside down right now. Going to paint it, paint the bottom half, flip it over, and paint the top half out here. Kind of bright out here, I'm not sure if getting a glare or not. We'll try this side, but regardless, mom's shelf is painted. We're getting ready to deliver it right now. Actually, this is not the end. This is where I say, my new saying is, go modify something. So go modify something. Everybody have a good one.